Sharp Designs by Lakeisha, where I am designing my way through life and inspiring you to do the same. So I don't know what order this vlog is going to be in, but I'm sure it's been a while. Trying to get back in the swing of things with vlogging. If you missed the previous vlogs, or if there was a vlog before this, we recently moved. Dakota started school. We had to get settled in the house, so I'm about to bring you guys along on a journey with me, room by room, as we decorate the house. I'm going to bring you guys along with me as I ease my way back into doing events. Yeah, so today is going to be kind of vlog style. We're going to be going into the Home Depot, which I'm in the parking lot here now. We're going to pick Dakota from school. I have to go to the balloon store to get some balloons, and then we're gonna start on this DIY project. As you can see, I have all my seats down. I have to take this one now, but I have all my seats down in my truck, so we're getting something big. If you can guess what we're about to do today, comment down below. What are y'all doing? Come on, we gotta go. Alright y'all, so I just realized that if you're watching this video, you've already seen the cover and you know what I'm making, so whatever. We're about to head into Hobby Lobby to grab some boards for the sides of the letters. They have these really big ones that I like to use. And then Dakota lost her first tooth, so you guys will get to see that in this vlog. I'm going to get some stuff to glitter her money that the tooth fairy's gonna leave, and a few other things. So I don't know if I should do the small flakes or some big flakes. Decided on this one because it has a couple different options. Hey guys, so I am back. I picked up Coda. We are headed to the balloon store. She lost her first tooth, so y'all know I done made her appointment with the tooth fairy. We have a little drive ahead of us, so I will check back in with y'all once we get to the store to get these balloons. Got them cut down to 5 feet, and I'm about to start on the first letter, which is K. I'm just gonna freestyle it. Forgot to show y'all, but the tooth fairy came. Look at them. Show me your money you got, people. I was making the reel and I forgot to include the vlog because I did bring y'all along with me to buy the stuff. So she love all that fairy does. So this is special tooth fairy money, right?
Yeah.
Right. That's cool. How much money you got?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
A lot of money, girl. And then this is the little door I ordered online over here. We put it up on the wall. She has her ladder to come down with her welcome in, and she even left some footprint, some fairy footprints. And then this is the little thing I got for her to keep her too thin for the tooth fairy to get it out. We didn't put it on the pillow. We used this as a little pocket in the back. And yeah, super cute. But we're about to get her shoes on, head out the door for school. Say bye.
Bye.
And then we're gonna be, me and you guys are gonna be working on the letters that we started on the other day. So I'll see y'all a bit later. Bye. Hey guys, so it's the next day, or yeah, next day since I last, oh look at my hair. It's the next day since I last saw you guys, so I am currently at the venue for the setup. About to start working on getting these letters finished up. So I'm gonna prop you guys up so I'm gonna let you guys see what's going on, but I'm pressed for time. It's getting dark. You can't tell here, but it's getting dark outside. So what you didn't see is that I cut out all the letters here using the foam board. I literally freestyled them. The rest of them are over here. His name is Cairo. So we have K, that's my R. This is my A, accidentally cut. So I'm just gonna tape this piece here. And then the O. So the first one I'm working on. And then for the sides, I took foam board, big boards from Hobby Lobby, cut them into equal size strips, and I'm gonna hot glue them around the side so that I can blow up balloons and start filling those. So get you guys propped up and I'm gonna get to work. I got my cordless hot glue gun. Last time I used this, it was for a vlog making these letters, but this is a cordless hot glue gun, so you can do whatever you need to do without having to be constricted to the space that you're in. Love this thing. Down, the I and the R. Say hey, mom. Hey. The I and the R. Let me tell y'all, I started trying, I think I did a little shot earlier. I tried to use the hot glue gun like I did when I did the 25 marquee. And if you need step-by-step for how to do these, that vlog was perfect. I went step-by-step strictly on how to do it. I tried to do it that way, and I had the hot glue gun up too high. I didn't think about it, but it kept popping the balloon. So I stopped and I decided to just go the Garland route, which what I've been doing is blowing up balloons, making a balloon garland, and just putting it inside of here. Now the thing after that was, how are you gonna get it to stay in there? I did this before with some that were built out of wood and the balloons just fit snug in there. But because this is so wide, what I did, I was like, okay, I'll get some double-sided tape. But then I decided to just use and it's not perfect, y'all. We're trying to get this done. The showers tomorrow is getting late, but I used the 260s and I just tied it around. Can y'all see that? Tied it around the back, put it in a knot, and it worked perfect. I did it for the eye. It's visible, but not that visible. Anybody checking that hard, you're doing too much. So that's what it looks like. And because we're pressed for time, I've never done this many at one time. And I said last time when I did that 25 for reaching 25K, I said that was gonna be the last time I did these. And here I am again doing them. But right now, my mom is over here working on the border for, what letter are you doing? The K. And I am about to go start working on the A. And then after that, We have, this is where I'm blowing up balloons at. I'm pretty sure I did a shot for y'all. And then I have the O left, which is gonna have to be scored because it has spots that curve. Y'all, so I'm going to try to get some more shots while I do this. But if I don't check in with y'all again tonight, I will definitely pick y'all up for the shower. It's gonna be really pretty simple. This is the area that most of the guests are going to be sitting at. And this clubhouse is in my friend's sister's neighborhood, which is super cute. So their clubhouse is really nice. They have all these tables and chairs. We kept it pretty simple with this table setting. It says "Oh baby," fork, knife, and I love the shape of these plates. I'll link them down below for you guys. Those are extra stuff. So all the tables have those, and then we also have these cups. I got these cups, which you guys will get a better view of tomorrow. This is the kitchen area. They put food along here. I mean, table settings around here, and so somebody else that's helping with the shower is actually in charge of the centerpieces. So she'll be bringing those to put on the tables tomorrow. Oh, came over here to tell you, I'm gonna put a boxwood hedge wall here, I think, and I'll try to make like a cute little something to go in it, or either do a balloon garland. I think a balloon garland would pop a lot more over here, so I'll probably take that home and do it tonight or early in the morning. And then for here, I'm gonna line up it'll have his name, the K-A-I-R-O will be here, so when people come in through this door, which is right here, you'll see Cairo. I thought that would be super cute. So I will check back in with you guys. If not tonight, tomorrow for sure. Bye. Almost forgot to show y'all what colors we were using. We have Gmar Peach, Batalitex, White Sand, the new Cala Sand. This is my first time trying this brand. This is called Blue Glass. And then I have Cala Sand's Rust Orange, as well as their Mirror Gold, which is very pretty. Guys, so this is all I was able to get done for the night. I'm gonna go on home. This is part of the O that's over here, and I'm gonna do the A at home, and as well as because we ran out of the parts for the sides, so I have to stop at Walmart and grab some of those because Hobby Lobby is closed. But I'm gonna check back in with y'all on tomorrow, and we'll finish this shower up. This is how the letters turned out. The O is very janky, but we're not even gonna zoom in on it. How cute is this sign? Get a sign done. That man's look. Like, this one is so cute. Game card.